What up, YouTube? It's your boy King23. Yeah, we feasting on my park again. Liz, about to chuck it over to him. Bang! For the deep three. You know he's not gonna miss that. Strap him up. Strap him up. Grab my own boards. Sauce him up. Speed boost. Flash. Limitless range. We all Hall of Fame. Where is this fool going? Where are you going? Where? Where are you going? Could have shot that, but no, we chasing for assists. Chucks it up. Out of bounds. You ain't no point guard. I'm the point guard. Chucking up dumb shots. Okay. Limitless range. Hall of Fame. I'm the king. I'm the king. Ugh. Throws it out of bounds. We all strapped him up. Alright, whatever, he's cheesing you. Bow to your majesty. I'm the king. Hey, sauce. Hey. We got you, XD. Don't worry, we got this. Yeah, I'm coming up. Yeah, I'm saucing. You already know. Bow to your master. I'm the king. Foul my guy. Foul my guy. Okay. I'm sleep. Chucking up dumb shots. Telling you, half the time this guy was chucking up dumb shots. But look at this. Bang. You always catch me cutting. Playing good defense too. We went on a big streak, not gonna lie. This is one of the games. I'm gonna be releasing more of these games. I recorded a big series of these. He passes to him. Hey. Good take. Alright, got fouled. It don't matter. This is what I spotted out. This is a dumb shot. He just chucks it up. Alright, whatever. I'm not mad. We still winning. Give me the ball. Bow to your majesty. I'm going in. And I'm taking it to the rim. Like Melo. Melo mentality. No Kobe. No Jordan. Melo. Cause I sauce him up like Melo. I'm cutting. Pass me the ball. I'm finishing too. Tell me, Melo mentality. I'm the king. Melo's the king. No LeBron. Melo. He didn't need no Wade. He didn't need no Chris Boss. Melo. Okay. We eating. Pass me the ball. You guys grand badge? That's in. That's a wet. Alright, I'm gone.